This is my new YouTube channel, and it is growing day by day. At first, my channel used to get a few views. Then more views started coming, and it is still going on. The most interesting thing is that these views are given by YouTube itself. Note here, 76% of the audience came from suggested videos and 13% of the audience from the browse feature. That means almost 90% of the total views are given by YouTube itself. So in today's video, I will show how to grow a new YouTube channel in 2023 with 3 easy steps. The first step will show you how YouTube will recommend your video. The second step will show you how to get viewers to your video. And the third step will show you some creator tricks. Go to YouTube and follow the same content in your category. Note the keywords of the videos which have already gone viral. Then put your video tags in the title and description. Now YouTube recommends your video. But what if the audience doesn't click on your video? Basically, because of this problem, your channel views are still low. 2 solutions to this problem are: first, make your thumbnails attractive. Second, write a line in your title that directly connects with your audience. For example, you can write an attractive line like "Never make this mistake," and remember to provide a proper concept through your thumbnail. The audience is clicking on your video, but will they watch your video till the end? Before sharing this information, please subscribe to the channel. So as soon as the video starts, relate to a point that the audience wants to know. It is best if you discuss the topic in your thumbnail or title at the beginning. After that, discuss some unique problems that the audience wants to know, but no creator ever discussed even. For this, follow your competitors' comment section. Make sure don't repeat your competitors. In this way, you will achieve better audience retention, which very helpful for your new YouTube channel. So that was for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment with your opinion. Goodbye!